Hello ladies and gentlemen. Today Apple held their Worldwide Developers Conference where they announced iOS 6, which will be available this fall. I will be going over the new Maps application, Siri, Facebook integration, shared photo streams, Passbook, FaceTime, the phone app, Mail, Safari, and also accessibility. So let's get started. First, let's start off with Maps. Apple has removed Google Maps from their operating system, and they have created a beautifully designed, from the ground up map application. It includes 3D mapping and also has turn-by-turn navigation and the ability to fly over the city so you can see in detail your favorite landmarks. With turn-by-turn navigation, you can type in your address and choose your route. This specifies multiple routes, and also turn-by-turn directions are spoken aloud, and you can also follow along with 3D views. Also, if traffic conditions change, Maps will also offer alternate routes. In the traffic section of Maps, Maps uses real-time traffic conditions to calculate your estimated time of arrival. Also, you'll get details about incidents that are causing traffic jams, so you can tell if there are major accidents ahead or just a temporary slowdown. So far what I've seen, Apple has blown away the Google Maps option that it used to have in iOS 5. So this is one of the main features that I am very excited about in iOS 6. With iOS 6, Siri has really expanded. Now Siri is available on the new iPad and can now tell you the latest scores and stats of your favorite teams and players. Also, it can now show you the latest reviews and showtimes for your favorite movies and finds the best restaurants in town to make reservations. Now Siri knows a lot about sports. You can find out scores from live games and current season's past games, schedules, team rosters, and player stats for baseball, basketball, football, hockey, and soccer. Another one of my favorite upcoming capabilities of Siri is the ability to get upcoming showtimes. You can look up movie facts and play trailers and more. If you're still undecided about which movie to see, you can also get different ratings of the different movies out from Rotten Tomatoes. Another highly anticipated feature in iOS is Facebook integration all throughout the operating system. And this was really anticipated last year when iOS 5 came out with Twitter integration, and there was no Facebook integration. But now with iOS 6, Facebook is fully baked into iOS 6. Next is shared photo streams. Now you can share just the photos you want with just the people you choose. First, you just simply select the photos from the Photos app and then tap the share button, and then you can choose the people you want to share these photos with. I really enjoy PhotoStream. I use PhotoStream all the time, and I really hope later on a lot more features come to PhotoStream. One I would like to see is expanded capacity. Right now you can only store up to 1,000 photos, say on your iPhone or iPad. I would really like to see that expanded. Now we've come to Passbook. Passbook is your boarding passes, movie tickets, retail coupons, loyalty cards, and more. I see this being a lot like Google Wallet, and when the new iPhone comes out, I really see NFC or Bluetooth 4.0 being integrated into this so that you can use this application to make payments on the go. My second favorite announcement at WWDC 2012 is the ability to make FaceTime calls over cellular data network. My first one is Maps, and now FaceTime over 3G is finally here. I did not see this coming, which is awesome, but you got to remember, this does take up quite a bit of your cellular data, so be aware of that. Finally, the actual phone app has been updated. Now you have the ability to decline a call instantly and then reply with a text message, or you can also set a callback reminder. When a call comes in that you can't answer right away, you can swipe up to reveal the options. quickly reply with an iMessage or a SMS, and you can also use a preset message, or you can also write a custom one. Another option, other than leaving a message, you can set up a time or location-based callback reminder. You can also set up an alert that will alert you in an hour. It will alert you when you leave your current location, when you arrive at home, or when you get to work. Now, another really cool feature in iOS 6 is the Do Not Disturb option. You can turn on Do Not Disturb to suppress all incoming calls and notifications. You can also enable it manually or schedule a recurring time like after 10 p.m. or weeknights. Or you can also allow calls from your favorites or specific contact groups. Now we've come to the Mail application, and this has improved quite a bit. You can now finally add photos and videos right from the Mail application itself, instead of having to go into your Photos application and email photos that way. Now Apple has finally integrated photos and videos right from the Mail application. Now finally, the Safari application doesn't have a whole lot, but now you have offline reading lists. You can view the full web pages, and it now has iCloud tabs, and also full screen, but only for landscape, apparently. And I'd like to see if portrait works, but it says landscape, so we'll see about that. So that's it, guys. That is pretty much iOS 6, the new maps by Apple with 3D mapping, Siri integration with sports, movies, and restaurants, Facebook completely baked in. You can share photos and videos, Passbook, FaceTime over cellular data, new phone application, Mail, and Safari. Now, you want to know if iOS 6 is available for your device? Well, here you go. Here is iOS 6 compatibility sheet. It is compatible with the iPhone 3GS, iPhone 4, iPhone 4S, the iPod Touch 4th generation, the iPad 2, and the new iPad. As you can see, there is no original iPad on here, and also some of the features on iOS 6 will not automatically be brought over to some of these older devices. Say, I don't know if 3D mapping will be available on the 3GS. I don't really know, but some features will be left out of some of these devices, mainly the older devices, obviously. So let me know what you think in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button above and hit the like button down below. Thanks for watching. This is Paul. God bless.